Okay. So we'll set it up with rate times time equals distance, and this let W represent the speed of the current, and the motorboat is traveling at 18 miles per hour. And so if you're going downstream with the current, the rate is going to be its normal 18 miles per hour plus the rate of the current. And if you're going upstream, you're fighting the current. So you would go with the normal 18 miles per hour that you can go on your own, but you're fighting the current, so minus the rate of the current. So those are the answers for part A, like write an expression for how fast it can go downstream and upstream. And then for part B, the motorboat travels 49 miles upstream in the same time it takes to travel 77 miles downstream. What is the speed of the current? W. So we don't know the time, but we know that the time is the same. So we've got basically kind of two equations, that rate times time equals distance for the downstream, and rate times time equals distance for the upstream. So for my time, I know they're the same time. If rate times time is distance, I know that the time is the distance divided by the rate. So in this area here, I want to do the time as the distance divided by the rate. And then upstream is the upstream distance divided by the upstream rate. And if the times are supposed to be the same, then my equation is going to be that the time downstream is going to equal the time upstream. And I can just solve that. Okay. So we do a little bit of loop-de-loop action. 77 times 18 minus W. 14 times 18 plus W. Finish it out, I guess, just because we can. But how is that looking? Does that make any sense? That was awfully fast, but that's why I'm like, uh-oh, we're doing these already. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. So the current is 4 miles per hour. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, anything you want me to explain before I shut this video down? So yeah, hopefully like you'll see enough of these, and the first time you see it, it's like, what is going on? But then you do them over and over again. You're like, okay, fine.